Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into Khao Piak Sen, also known as Kopia Noodles. This is a traditional Laotian and Thai dish made with thick, chewy noodles in a flavorful broth. So, let's get started with how you can make the easiest homemade Asian noodles. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 8 cups of chicken stock, 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 1 pound of fresh Kopia noodles or wide rice noodles, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of ginger grated, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and salt to taste. For optional garnishes, you might want to consider fresh cilantro leaves, sliced green onions, bean sprouts, and lime wedges. Step 1. Prepare the chicken broth. First, in a large pot, bring the chicken stock to a boil. Then add the boneless, skinless chicken thighs and let them simmer for about 20 minutes or until fully cooked through. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the pot and shred it using 2 forks. Set it aside. Step 2. Cook the noodles. In a separate pot, cook the Kopia noodles or wide rice noodles according to package instructions. Once they're done, drain and set them aside. Step 3. Make the flavorful broth. In a pan over medium heat, sauté minced garlic and grated ginger until fragrant. Then pour in the prepared chicken stock from step 1 into this pan and bring it to a gentle boil. Add fish sauce for seasoning along with salt if needed. Step 4. Assemble Khao Piak Sen or Kopia noodles. In individual serving bowls, add generous handfuls of cooked Kopia or wide rice noodles. Then pour over the flavorful hot broth, ensuring it's well heated up. Top off with shredded boiled chicken, followed by your choice of optional garnishes such as fresh cilantro leaves, sliced green onions, bean sprouts, and lime wedges. Now that your Khao Piak Sen or Kopia noodle bowls are ready, it's time to savor this delicious dish. Enjoy!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.